Bitcoin trades above $66,000, Ether stays below $3,500. Solana stablecoin supply surge past $3 billion. Ethereum Layer 2s could rocket to $1 trillion base valuation by 2030, VanEck says. Crypto market maker GSR receives Singapore crypto license. Bank of England and FCA launch digital security sandbox for DLT testing. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VD markets traded lower as investors digested softer than expected report on March growth in the US service industry and another coming after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell hopeful of rate cuts this year. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, hovered near $66,000 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC 15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.3% at 84,800 points. Interestingly, the net inflows into the new spot ETFs have slowed down in the past couple of weeks, suggesting that the investors are eyeing macro indicators for price direction. Friday morning's US non-farm payrolls data will be this week's climax event. In the last 24 hours, the total market cap of meme coins on Solana and Coinbase's Ethereum Layer 2 base have fallen by 12% and 19% respectively. The sell-off coincided with a sharp decline in Bitcoin's price, falling 4.94% in the same period. Moving on, Ethereum, the largest blockchain network by transaction volume, posted robust growth with its revenue tripling on quarter-over-quarter basis to $369 million, representing a 210% year-over-year growth from $119 million in Q1 2023. Meanwhile, leverage trades are presenting a peculiar scenario with a notable absence of put options being traded. According to data from Greeks Live, the majority of trades yesterday were calls, indicating a bullish sentiment prevailing in the market. The situation was particularly striking in the Ethereum options market, where call option trades constituted a staggering 90% of total trades, a level of extreme share rarely witnessed. In an interesting piece of news, the price of Bitcoin Cash, the Bitcoin baby, witnessed a rollercoaster ride on Wednesday shortly after the blockchain completed its second ever halving, an event where mining rewards are slashed in half. BCH prices were on the up move for the past 3 months, plunged briefly before rebounding. Well, the global crypto market cap was at $2.50 trillion mark, decreasing 0.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume decreased by 21% to $93 billion. Going forward, stablecoin supply on the Layer 1 blockchain network Solana has risen by 55.72% in the last 3 months, reaching $3.12 billion. The rise in stablecoin issuance on Solana suggests increased activity and demand, potentially leading to more transactions. In other news, Wormhole, a cross-chain bridge, has launched an airdrop that rewarded early users with 617 million W tokens. These tokens represent 6% of total supply, and the total market cap of Wormhole stands at nearly $3 billion. Well, Solana meme coins such as Bonk and Boom have seen significant surges in the crypto market. Cat in a Dog's World experienced a price rally of 439.03% in just 1 week, fueled by anticipation of BitGet's exchange listing. US stock futures traded mixed after the Dow Jones Industrial Average registered its third straight losing session. Futures tied to the 30 stock Dow dropped by 0.11%. S&P 500 futures gained 0.11%, S&P 500 futures gained 0.11%, while Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.38%. Bitcoin was trading at $66,275, down by 0.3%. Talking about Ethereum, the second largest crypto was up by 0.4%, trading at $3,340. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down 2.8% and was trading at $185. Cardano's ADA token was down by 1.7% to trade at $0.58. Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $47, lower by 2.3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.4% to trade at $0.89. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2.8% at $0.18. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was trading down by 2%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.57, down by 2.8%, and Polkadot was down by 3% to trade at $8.5. However, Binance's BNB token was up by 4% to trade at $587.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Stablecoin supply on the Layer 1 blockchain network Solana has increased steadily since the beginning of the year, crossing the $3 billion mark during the past week. According to data from the blockchain analytic platform Artemis, the stablecoin supply on the network has increased by 55.72% in the last 3 months to reach $3.12 billion. Notably, this number pales significantly against the balance on the network in 2022. At the time, more than $6 billion worth of these assets were on the blockchain. However, it fell to as low as $1.4 billion during the historic bear market situation. Now, though the supply appears to be back on the rise, leading the stablecoin charge on the Solana network is USDC. Circle stablecoin accounts for 73% of such assets on the network, according to Artemis. Circle's launch of this cross-chain transfer protocol on the network on March 26 is the likely cause for this recent surge. Artemis data shows that USDC accounted for $63.69 billion of stablecoin transfer volume on April 2nd, far overshadowing USDT's $812.41 million. Meanwhile, stablecoin transfer volume on Solana surged by 164% to $1.4 trillion, reflecting the significant amount of activity the network has enjoyed. An increasing stablecoin supply indicates heightened liquidity and is indicative of increased capital infusion. Investment firm VanEck predicts Ethereum Layer 2 network to be valued at over $1 trillion by 2030, but remains generally bearish on the long-term prospects of several such networks. The firm evaluated 46 Layer 2 networks across 5 key areas and predicted thousands of roll-ups to eventually emerge. Arbitrum is the most extensive ecosystem with over $18 billion in locked tokens. VanEck said that transaction pricing, developer experience, user experience, trust assumptions, and ecosystem size could play into the Layer 2 network's growth. Meanwhile, VanEck analysts Busk and Siegel wrote that the firm expects there to be cutthroat competition amongst L2s, stating they were generally bearish on the sector's outperformance. Crypto market maker and liquidity provider GSR has been awarded a major payment institutional license by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. GSR now holds Singapore's digital payment token service license, which authorizes firms to buy and sell digital payment tokens, which is what the government calls crypto and is also the license exchanges use. The market maker first received in-principle approval from MAS in September. Typically, liquidity providers and market makers are not licensed entities as they are not customer-facing entities. Recently, Singapore expanded the scope of its licensing regime to include custodial services and cross-border money transfers. The Bank of England and the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority have started a consultation on the draft guidance for their digital securities sandbox, which is designed to allow participants to test distributed ledger technology for trading and settlement of digital securities such as shares and bonds. According to a joint consultation and draft guidance released on Wednesday, April 3rd, the sandbox will last 5 years and could lead to a new regulatory regime for securities settlement. Successful applicants using the sandbox will be able to provide securities depositories and settlement services as well as operate a trading venue under modified regulations. The initiative, which is to take place over 5 years, could pave the way for establishing permanent regulations governing the trading and settlement of digital assets down the line. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Solana. Stablecoin supply on the Layer 1 blockchain network Solana has risen by 55.7% in the last 3 months, reaching $3 billion according to blockchain analytical platform Artemis. This is a significant increase from the $6 billion worth of assets in 2022, which fell to $1.4 billion during the bear market. The rise in stablecoin issuance of Solana suggests increased activity and demand, potentially leading to more transactions and higher usage of the SOL token for transaction fees and staking. However, understanding the underlying mechanisms behind price and formation on Solana or any other cryptocurrency is crucial, as the network's usage may increase drastically depending on the market. Inflows to Solana may not always translate into a bullish performance on Solana, analysts believe. Next on the list, we have Ethereum. In Q1 2024, Ethereum, the second blockchain network on transaction volume, experienced 210% increase in earnings to $369 million, with fees and revenues increasing 79% and 85% respectively. The total revenue reached $1 billion, which is 186% up of last year's $385 million. Despite the cryptocurrency's near all-time high prices in March, Ethereum showed significant growth in network usage, with total transactions rising by 8.4% quarter-over-quarter to over 107 million. The Ethereum decentralized finance ecosystem now holds a total value of $55 billion, an 86% increase. Tether remains the largest Ethereum-based stablecoin, adding 14% in market value since Q1. Next on the list, we have Litecoin. The crypto market has been experiencing a red wave since April, with Litecoin ranking 19th due to its classification as a commodity by the CFTC. Despite setbacks, 75% of holders are currently profiting. The acquisition of 8.16 million LTC by 590,000 addresses has marked a key on-chain resistance at around $150 million threshold. Litecoin has outpaced other altcoins in terms of market rebound, with on-chain transaction volume spiked as the price topped at the end of March. Next on the list, we have meme coin Hops. Hops, a meme coin inspired by Ansem's cat, has surpassed $100 million in trading volume within 24 hours of its launch. Hosted on the Solana blockchain, Hops' rise is attributed to the charismatic namesake and devoted community. With trading volume surpassing $200 million, Hops has become a frontrunner in the competitive meme coin landscape, setting ambitious milestones, including becoming the first cat-themed token to reach $1 per token. Unlike other meme coins, Hops is a fully community-owned project, highlighting the transformative potential of meme coins within the broader crypto ecosystem. It combines humor, community engagement, and cutting-edge blockchain technology, igniting a new era of decentralized finance characterized by inclusivity and innovation. Next on the list, we have Mew meme token. Solana meme coins such as Bonk and Bomb have significant surges in the crypto market. Cat in a Dog's World, which is Mew token, experienced a price rally of 439% in just 1 week, fueled by anticipation of BitGet's exchange listing. The token surged 50% after the listing, reaching a high but then dropped back to its starting value. Despite losses, Mew is still up over 400%. The Solana blockchain is a popular platform for trading and developing meme coins due to its low transaction costs and high-speed capabilities. However, the rise of meme coins has sparked controversy, with debates surrounding offensive meme coins featuring racist language.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.